How to sign up Monica AI app. Hello everyone, welcome back to AI Viz. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to sign up Monica AI app. So now let's get started. First of all, open the Monica AI application on your mobile device. Here, you can sign up using your Google or your email. I will be signing up using my email. So simply tap on continue with email. Now you will be directed to a login page. Here you need to tap on sign up beside the login option. Now enter your email and enter a password and again enter a nickname for yourself. And after entering the nickname, simply tap on sign up. Now a verification code will be sent to your email. So simply go back and open email. Now tap on the Monica team email and there you will find the code. Now simply copy it. Again go back and open the Monica AI app and paste your verification code. Now after that, simply tap on verify and your account will be verified. Here you have successfully signed up in Monica AI app. So this is how to sign up Monica AI app. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.